How to send Bitcoin from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can send Bitcoin from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to go ahead and send Bitcoin from Cash App, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App, you're basically going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just come to the home tab that you can find over here. Once you come to the home tab over there, you'll be able to see this option known as Bitcoin. So what you want to do, you just simply want to go ahead and select this Bitcoin option, and right over here you'll be able to see all these sorts of various details where you just need to tap the get started option here. Once you tap on the get started option, here you can choose to buy Bitcoin, but since we're learning about sending Bitcoin, right over here you can see deposit Bitcoin and so on. So just make sure to buy Bitcoin and make sure that you have at least some type of Bitcoin in this case. Once you make sure of that, just come to this dollar tab over here. By default, currently you can see USD is selected. So what you want to do is you simply want to tap on this USD option, and then you want to choose this option known as Bitcoin. And when you select Bitcoin, if you don't have Bitcoin already, it will prompt you to buy Bitcoin. So once you go ahead and buy Bitcoin, enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you would like to send in this case, then just convert this USD into Bitcoin, select the recipient's Bitcoin address, and your Bitcoin will be successfully sent after a couple of verifications. This way you can basically go ahead and then send Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.